Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this Game Props money. It's like fake money for like fun games or just for props or for helping you count money or educational purposes. So let's see how realistic this is. It's pretty close actually. It looks kind of cool. All right, well, wow, we got hundreds. I'll take one out here. See, I actually have a real 100. It's like 50s, 20s. See all of these, 50s, 20s, 10s, 5s, 2s, and 1s. So if you wanted to train your employees or something, using a cash register, this wouldn't be a bad idea. I'm going to check these out to see how real they are on these hundreds here. Oh, come on, get off of there. Slide that off. Okay, so that's that. Obviously, it says motion picture purposes here at the top, and it says copy there also. You can tell the paper's a little different, and actually this is kind of an older 100. I found this in my wallet. I don't even know how long it's been in there. It doesn't even have that new line in there. I wonder how long the oldest one is. 2003 series. So as far as size is, it's pretty close to the same size, but yeah, this is even like an old one. So if you just had it sitting there though, you wouldn't really be able to tell the difference. I mean, color's a little bit different. Picture looks exactly the same there. That's basically a copy. And maybe this is like, I haven't seen a new 100 in a while. I don't know if they even have all these features on there. Let me Google it real quick. All right, that actually looks pretty close to the other one there. If you look at that, so it's kind of a pretty good replication there of the one on the side there. You can definitely feel the difference in the paper. Obviously, these don't have the little blue and different color threads in them like a real $100 bill does. But they look pretty legit at first glance, actually, so that's kind of cool. Pretty neat there. And we have a whole bunch of them. So if you wanted to like practice, do some training, register training, things like that, you have a bunch of cash money, or you could just give them to people just for fun, see if they like that. So pretty realistic though, actually. I mean, if you're not paying attention, you could probably pass it off as real money. But obviously it says copy on it and a whole bunch of other stuff on there, so you can really tell that it's not real and shouldn't be trying to pay for things like this, obviously. So teaching does say like motion picture purposes and things like that on there, but first glance, if you're not looking close at them, they look pretty real. So that's pretty neat. Yeah, pretty cool stuff there. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.